So we hit 100 followers on TikTok with zero dancing, zero singing, zero memes, zero jokes, zero special effects. Literally hit 100 followers with zero skills, just me documenting my life, documenting different things I do, whether it's making juice, whether it's filming a vlog, whether it's me cleaning my car. That's how I went ahead and hit 100 followers, and this is just the beginning. Before we get to today's video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting courses with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do, drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video, so be sure to do that. So here's sort of the preview of me hitting 100 followers, my reactions, all the different type of videos I've tested, still testing. I'll show you all the videos that went viral, and I was pretty shocked myself at the videos that went viral. Guess what? I'm at 119 followers, which is insane. Like, I just blew up last night. Overnight I just got a bunch of followers. Probably gained like, I think when I slept I was at like 30 something, so I gained like 70, maybe 80 overnight. And you know what happened? An old video blew up. If I scroll down, this video, damn, 2,438 views. That one just went viral. So the trick I'm doing now, after finding out this older video going viral, is I'm gonna go volume. I'm gonna post a lot of content, tags. So I'm literally gonna try post like 2, 3, 4, 5 content a day, just because using good hashtags, your older videos still get views, and then that's gonna compound. So imagine having like 100 videos, you're gonna get like 100 views every second, just because you're gonna get one view on every single video. I think just off volume. See, like my first video is still getting views. It's slowed down and it's not getting as many, but it's still getting views. And like random content like this middle row right here, 185, that was at like 150 the other day. So all my videos are growing, so I just need to go volume and post a lot and let them compound. It's like YouTube, but imagine YouTube wouldn't throttle you if you posted it like 4, 5, 6 content a day. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go off volume, and yeah, we're at 119, which is insane. And I'm just learning as we go, and I'm gaining more tricks. I'm building a list of music I like. Check this out. Go to sounds. You want to build a list of favorites of songs you like, and that's what I do. I just go through the For You page and look for songs, and I'll just add them to favorite. But yeah, pretty happy. I might copy this person's bio. That's a pretty good bio. It gets people to like go on Instagram and go on YouTube. But yeah, I'm gonna check this guy out. Let's see. Okay, so he's a content marketer. Interesting. And he posts meme like content. He should post all his educational content. But damn, I think he's using hashtags really well as well, because all his videos are getting like a few hundred, but I think that's because he has 38k followers. But we're gonna get there. I'm gonna make sure we get there. I'm just gonna keep going. And then I also talk about tips and tricks on how to go ahead and save songs, how I go ahead and pick songs, and what I've been doing, and update you guys on all the things I've learned to get me from 0 to 100 plus followers. Alright, hey guys, what's up? I just want to give you guys a quick tip. I'm looking at this person who has literally hundreds of content, and he went off volume for sure. He only has 49 followers. His content is getting little to no views. And you know what? He's just doing the usual sort of TikTok sort of filter, duets, effects, and it's just all very, very normal. They're just pretty normal content, and like since there's hundreds of people doing this selfie type of content, there's no barrier to entry, and it's just so hard to compete. On top of that, I don't think he's using the right hashtags. For example, this. Don't think his hashtags are correct. That's why they aren't getting many views, and that's sort of why I think if you go off volume and you sort of just stick to the trend like this, it won't work. I'm going off volume, but I have all this sort of lifestyle content which just stands out. I'm not doing that usual selfie, just record yourself and do a duet or just sing to a song. I'm creating like lifestyle content. I'm posting up stuff like this. Look how cool this lifestyle content is. This is the stuff that would have just been wasted on my Instagram story. Instead, I could just put on my TikTok. And then my educational content, it's cool.
So I go Kickstarter, I go into design.
Like it has big hit funding, that was $5,000 goal. Straight to the point. You want to work on improving every single day, no matter what situation you're in. Like if you're in a job, if you literally read books every day, you try new businesses and stuff. And they're just sort of like,
a lot of people ask,
this is like
how do you find winning products? What's the formula? How do you do
professional filmed?
Like that
you know,
part
have a
is
tripod
easy.
set up.
Dealing with
I'm looking at the
holds,
camera.
cash flow, accounting. That's when things get complicated.
And
that's what a lot of dropshippers don't.
Dropshipping mindset and before, and I'm mixing up with. And yeah, that's why I think I can go off volume. And that's sort of my guess on why I'm blowing up and people like him aren't. It's just because of my content. It's very quality and it's completely different. It's random. I think that's sort of why I think I will blow up on TikTok. I'm just going to keep posting random content that just stands out, because what I'm doing also doesn't have much of a barrier to entry, and eventually people will catch on and know that you just post random content and grow on TikTok. So I need to push this out as soon as possible and just like go fast. And yeah, that's sort of what I've been doing. And then what I'm going to show you guys now is sort of my discovery on how properly use hashtags, how other people have been posting tons of videos, but they've been getting zero results. And I talk about the importance of not copying trends. Like sort of what I'm doing, that's completely unique on TikTok. No one's posting random lifestyle videos just like me. Everyone's posting sort of trends, lip singing, different filters. And that's sort of what this person did. And as a result, even though having hundreds of content, he isn't able to grow. And I actually show you guys how my feed sort of stands out and how I'm doing something different. And then here's a video of me sort of showing you guys how I literally capitalize on every single character space I have. I literally fill it filled with hashtags, and that's something that people don't do. Hashtag is just free content, and that's sort of how everything ranks and how it uses the algorithm. It sort of sees the hashtags on different videos, and that's sort of how they use recommended videos. They show you related videos, and that's how you want to max out on hashtags, and that's exactly what I do here. So here's another quick tip. So I literally use every single character I have with hashtags. So let's say I only have 3 letters left. So I'm thinking of a 3-letter hashtag that I haven't used. I use for FYP, wow, WOW. I've already used that. So I'm gonna use LOL. And that's literally, I'm maxed out. If I had 2 letters, I'll use 2 letters. I'm literally trying to use as much caption real estate as I can and just max it out. So that's another tip. And yeah, that's another post. But yeah, I posted this just this morning, like 2 hours ago, and I'm already posting my next one.
Making an upgrade.
Just because, you know, it's slowing down and I'm just going to go with volume. Like, TikTok sort of just gives you a free 100 sort of view boost. And then if you grow from there, it's up to your content. So you can literally post tons and tons of content, get it to all at 100, get a bunch of followers through that, and then the ones that organically grow, and the ones that don't, just don't grow. But man, this is gone nearly 3,000. It's insane. So like, this just shows there's a chance for business content on TikTok. But yeah, I'm gonna continue posting more and more content and just max it out. And remember that the reason why I do it is so I can have control of my life and do awesome shit like this. But yeah, keep you guys updated. And yeah, that's sort of all the discoveries I learned over those past few days and hitting 100 plus followers. Now, if you sort of watch tomorrow's episode, I'm going to give you guys a live walkthrough on how I created a viral TikTok video. Like, this tutorial, like, it was perfect. Like, I showed you guys the whole process, and coincidentally, that video went viral. So you guys get a live preview. So you definitely want to watch tomorrow's episode. But yeah, that's today's episode. Hope you guys are enjoying the series. No one has sort of documented their journey this in depth. I showed you guys every single step of the way. I showed you my thought process. I showed you guys me evolving, learning, me as a beginner. You guys get everything. So now you guys could go ahead and skip all the hardships and get all the crazy facts that took me a while to figure out and just instantly apply it to your TikTok account and grow your following with ease, just like I did. You know, I don't want to give this away because now everyone's going to blow up, but I think that's the only way for me to really provide you guys on YouTube as much value as possible and really give high quality content by just sort of giving away all my secrets. You know, I don't want to, but I think TikTok is much bigger than it seems, where a bunch of you action takers that are watching these videos really can't really cut into my sort of follow account and sort of growth, because you know that's a mindset of abundance and I want to keep that mindset to give you guys as much value as possible. So hopefully you guys appreciate this. Drop a like below, hit the subscribe button. Question of the day: are you going to start growing your TikTok account? Let me know. Drop in the comments below how many of you guys are going to commit to this, because now's the best time to grow your TikTok account with like completely free organic traffic, unlike Instagram and YouTube and Facebook where it's impossible to grow. TikTok is the last platform at the moment and only platform, because it's new and upcoming, that could organically grow this fast. Hope you guys have an amazing day and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.